Hey everyone, it's James from the Fit RV, and recently we've been having a little bit of trouble with one of our drawer latches. Right turn. Steph.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. Alright, from now on, only left turns. Okay, so needless to say, kind of annoying, but that kind of thing never happens when you're at home with your shop and all your stuff. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it using only stuff you can get from any home center. You're going to need some of these bag goods that we all know and love or hate. In this case, you need number 10. You're going to need the nuts out of that. You will need some sheet metal screws. These are number 6 by 5/8 inch sheet metal screws. And you're going to need a stubby Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get inside and I'll show you how I fixed it. Okay, so we have these push button style latches in our drawers, and the problem comes with this latch and the catch up here, and basically our latch has now worn a little bit to the point that even when the latch is depressed and it's locked in place, it just kind of pulls right past it. So the solution is going to be to shim it. And to shim it, we're going to use basically the nuts and screws that I showed you earlier. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the drawer by pulling down on these tabs and sliding it out. So here's what we're going to be working on. Here's the catch for the drawer, and it's just held in place with a couple little screws. Hence we need the shorty screwdriver because, you know, there we go. So I'm going to take these screws out like so. All right, now here's what I removed just now. I removed this drawer catch and then these two shorty black screws. So what we're going to do is we're going to shim it, and that's where we're going to use these number 10 machine screw nuts. And we're going to basically put those on top to push the drawer catch closer to the drawer. But we want these longer screws because, you know, if you put the nut on there, that's not going to leave a whole lot of that screw left to engage into the drawer. So we got these longer screws. These other screws were, I don't know, like a 1/2 inch, and now we have 5/8 of an inch. So basically we're going to put it together like that and then screw it up into the drawer. So here we go. There we go. We've got that tightened down. You do want to make sure you get the latch in pointing in the same direction that it was when you took it out, because in one of the ways it's designed to help the drawer close easily. So you want to make sure you've got it back in the right way. But once you've done that, notice this is now like a good 1/16 or 3/32 of an inch closer to the drawer. So we're going to put the drawer back in and hopefully it works. And I like to pull these inner drawer slides out because it helps me get them lined up like so. And then the first time when you close the drawer, you may meet a little resistance. Just gently push through. And, oh, that's not going anywhere. All right, so if you try it with these number 10 nuts and that's a little too much, like if you've pushed the latch down too far, you can get something thinner. They're like, you know, number 8 little mini washers you can get to put on the screws that'll lower it, you know, not quite so much as that. But that's it. That's really all it takes to stop that drawer flying open. And although it's good for the comedy value, it's really not that fun when you're rolling down the road on a long road trip. So that's it for now. This is James from the Fit RV. See you later. Bye.